Today I will show here you can see. Okay, now click on the analyze. This is my coding website live link URL. So I first time check what the speed showing on mobile view. Here 90% performance, and what about 100%? So this is the coding website without anything you can see. Okay, so what about button do not have accessible name link? Okay, no problem. So after all the things, my you can see 90% without anything. Here I don't use any plugin, only simple HTML pages and CSS files and JS. Okay, and here import. After that you can see the live website without any plugin or theme because I designed myself. Give the look, and you can see 90%, and this is the 100%. So this is names and labels, so it's need to improve. So it's not much have. First performance is the 100% and the 90%. This is good, and SEO is not 90%. Best practices 100%. Okay, so this is the good point through coding website. If you are new on my YouTube channel, please like and subscribe the Zubair YouTube channel and share with your other friends to see how to use. This is the free of cost without any paying hosting plans. Okay, I hope you understand. If you have any question, you can ask to me in the comment section.